Hi, today I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can enhance or improve a headshot photo in Canva without resorting to plastic surgery. Let me go to my screen and I'll show you how. This woman doesn't look terribly happy and has lines, as we all do as we get older. I've kept the original there so we can see the changes that we make. We're going to click on this one and make some changes. The first thing I'm going to do is click on Edit. Now I've clicked on the photo and you can see it all. Is what I'm going to click next. And under here, I've got Face Retouch. And this will just smooth the lines. Let's see how this does. First of all, it's looking for a face. Then it's gone to 25%. And you can see it has smooth lines. The frown line there is a little less. But it hasn't gone too far. It's just gone quite subtly. Now I can enhance that further and move it up towards the 100%. And you can see that's taken out a lot more lines. I'll just make this larger so you can see it, particularly around the mouth. That's very simply done with Face Retouch. I did try Face Retouch on some skin because I thought it would be interesting to show you how it improved it. However, you do need to have a face for Face Retouch. If I click on this and then go to Face Retouch, it goes, no faces detected. Please try another photo. It does have to have a face, or at least part of a face, to work. We can go back to our lady, and I'm going to try another app that's quite new. I'm going to click on Edit on the one that we've already done. Then I go to Upscale Image. This works best for pixelated or blurry images. So I'm just going to see what it does for this one. Let's just click on that. My image is too big to upscale. That's interesting. I have not had that before. Obviously, you can't have too large an image when you upscale it. That doesn't work on that image. You won't try upscale again for this. I have used it on other photographs, and if you've got a dark background or pixelated, it does help enhance it. The other thing I was going to do is go to Apps and look for an app. I'm going to type in face and let's see what comes up. And I'm going to try AI face expression because a woman looks a bit miserable. I thought I would see whether we can change her from a not very happy face to a smiley one. And as you can see, it says change the emotional funny face photorealistically. And you can pick from 20 moods like smile, angry, poker face, skeptical, or embarrassed. So great for thumbnails, ads, social media posts, and memes. Let's see what we can do with this one. It does let you use the image selected in the design, which is really great because quite often you have to upload the image again. This is letting me do that. It's got the design image, and I'm not quite sure why these are locked. You can see there's a usage credit, so I only have 1 of 2 credits that I can use. And obviously I can buy more credits. I'm just going to do 1. And let's just put her a smile and see how that works. And then click Generate. And let's wait. I'll let it run in real time, and you can see how long it takes to improve this image. She does have a slight Mona Lisa smile, this lady. Let's see what this does. Okay, I like this. It's a nice, subtle smile, so that's good. Edit to the design. Just take off this one. And it has edited it while really retaining the lady herself, which is great. It has kept smooth the skin from the Face Retouch, but has given her a smile. So our lady is now happy. There are 2 and 1 possible other option with Upscale for a different kind of image you can use to improve your photos. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.